So this is about organization chart or a wing. In the first video, briefly we discussed about this, because this is just for information purpose, because we are not going very deep into flying squadrons, administration squadron, engineering squadron, med department, signals, logistics, and all those things. Because if you opt for air force or the air wing in your college level, then definitely you will go deeper into explanation part of these topics. Station oblique wing. Station or oblique wing is always called as a self-accounting unit. It is fully capable and independently responsible for its own administration. A squadron unit is essentially a non-self-accounting unit, and it's larger to wing or station and depends fully on that wing or station for its administration. A wing oblique station exercises functional and administrative control over larger units. So what is a station? Station is nothing but, I already explained you, Air Force Station Tambaram. Station is self-accounting unit, means Air Force Station they can maintain their own administration, because they are fully independently responsible for their own administration. Under the station we can have a squadron or further sub units. Now, how a station is operational, that is organization chart of operational command of an Air Force station. Okay. Air Force station is commanded by Air Officer Commanding in Chief. So, Air Officer Commanding in Chief is the topmost officer. Like in our school, we have a principal. Like that, in Air Force station, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, AOC in C. Air Officer Commanding in Chief. That is what the meaning of this particular word. Air Officer Commanding in Chief, AOC in. Under Air Officer Commanding, we have further officers called Senior Station Officer, that is called SOS. Senior Air Station Officer. Okay. Then we have Senior Officer in Administration. Senior Officer in Administration. And we have Senior Maintenance Staff Officer. So, like in every Air Force station, there are flying squadrons are there, education branches are there, means training squadrons are there, and maintenance squadrons are there. So each squadron is maintained by different senior officers. So senior officers, they maintain Senior Air Staff Officer, Senior Officer in charge of administration, Senior Maintenance Officer. Please understand, please, the expansion like SASO, SOA, SMSO, abbreviations you have to understand. Please write down so that you can understand easily. Now, please, this very important topic, Indian Air Force, the commands of Indian Air Force. The Western, Central, Eastern, Southwestern, Southern Air Command control or operational units. Now, operational units. You know what do you mean by operational units? Operational units is nothing but flight operational units. So flight operational units, that is Western Command, Central, Eastern, Southwestern, Southern Air Command control operational units. Operational commands execute the operational roles of Indian Air Force in the war. So when there is a war, so it is the duty of operational command to maintain the operation of Indian fighter aircrafts or any other major operations of Indian Air Force. It also handles the training of paratroopers for airborne operating. Training command is responsible for training of officers and airmen. So training command, it is in, of course, Sainik School Bijapur, very closely associated with the training command, because a senior officer from training command is our LBA chairman. So every year LBA chairman visit is scheduled in our school, so that you are involved in guard of honor and all other activities. The training command is responsible for training of officers and airmen in all flying and ground training at various academy, training institutes, college under it. So who is responsible for scheduling, planning for academy or training in Air Force stations, colleges under it? That is the work of training command. The maintenance command is responsible for maintenance and storage of all the aircrafts, because aircraft is a machine, so a machine should be maintained or repaired at right time, and the maintenance of aircrafts is done by the maintenance command, and signal, equipment, armaments, ammunitions and explosives, etc., all are maintained by the maintenance command. So, and administrative control or repair depot and equipment depot, all are controlled by the maintenance command. So maintenance command is responsible for all the above issues. Now let us check the headquarters of every command. This is very important from the examination point of view, as well as, of course, for your SSB and all. Definitely you can expect some questions. So Southern Air Command, located in Trivandrum. Training Command, located in which place? Bangalore. Eastern Air Command, that is in Shillong. Maintenance Command, that is in Nagpur. Western Air Command in Delhi. South West Air Command, Gandhinagar. Central Air Command, Allahabad. So once again, Southern Air Command, that is in Trivandrum. Training Command in Bangalore. Eastern Air Command, Shillong. Maintenance Command, Nagpur. Western Air Command, New Delhi. South West Air Command, Gandhinagar. Central Air Command in Allahabad. Now, which command is responsible for the training of airmen, officers under the Indian Air Force? Yeah, that is training command. And which command is responsible for maintenance of aircraft, ammunitions and other equipments related to Indian Air Force? That is maintenance command. Maintenance command is located in Nagpur. So Indian Air Force very systematically organized, because if you observe, all the commands are not in a particular place, rather it is spread all over India, so that it is easy to do operation whenever it is required. So the commands of Indian Air Force. Okay. Training commands of Indian Air Force. Of course, remember the names of each and every command and location of each and every command. And please write down the locations also, so that easy to understand. Southern Air Command is in capital city of Kerala, Trivandrum. Training command, I told you, Sainik School Bijapur is closely associated with training command, because our LBA chairman is a top officer from training command, Bangalore. Central Air Command, that is in Allahabad. When you go further higher in studies, then definitely there are few aircrafts like Hercules CJ-130. There are few aircrafts which are definitely kept in a particular command public stations. Okay, take care. Wish you a wonderful day. Dream big, dream high. Thank you.